It is my great pleasure to congratulate the Arms Control Association, the ACA, on 50 years of success in promoting public understanding of and advocacy for effective arms control policies. The ACA has a long history of leadership on public education and outreach. I commend Daryl Kimball, the Executive Director of the ACA since September 2001, and a very auspicious start date, Daryl, and the dedicated ACA team for continuing to provide invaluable reporting and analysis on salient arms control, disarmament, and non-proliferation issues. Over the past 5 decades, the ACA has excelled in being a source of timely and authoritative information, analysis, and commentary. Through its engagement with policymakers, the press, and the general public, ACA has played a pivotal role in informing arms control policy debates in Washington and beyond. I'm particularly grateful for the ACA's project for the CTBT, which was created to sensitise policymakers and the public on the history and the issues surrounding the CTBT. Daryl, I'm ever so grateful for your unwavering and passionate support for the CTBT and its entry into force. Your dedication to achieving a world without nuclear testing is a shining example of the championing that we need to finally see the CTBT cross that finish line. As we celebrate the CTBT's 25th anniversary year, I continue to be inspired by the strong support we're receiving from our supporters and champions all over the world, particularly among civil society. We welcome 2 ratifications in March this year, the Gambia and Tuvalu. I'm delighted to report that we are well on our way to reaching the goal that I set of achieving 5 or more ratifications during the treaty's 25th anniversary year. By partnering together to promote the signature and ratification of the treaty, we are succeeding in reinforcing the taboo against nuclear testing and reaffirming the key role the CTBT plays in the nuclear non-proliferation regime. ACA has been an instrumental part of this success. The current international security situation, including putting nuclear weapons onto high alert, has underscored the urgent need to strengthen the nuclear disarmament and non-proliferation architecture, of which the CTBT is a core element. In this crucial moment, ACA's role becomes ever more important. I wish ACA great success as it continues providing vital contributions in support of effective arms control policy around the world. Thank you.
It is a great pleasure for me to address you on this occasion to mark the Arms Control Association's 50th anniversary. On behalf of the Organization for the Prohibition of Chemical Weapons, I wish to congratulate you for reaching this historic milestone. This is also a momentous year for the OPCW. We mark the 25th anniversary of the entry into force of the Chemical Weapons Convention. Looking back over the past 5 decades, the disarmament and non-proliferation field has changed significantly. New treaties, agreements, and commitments have been negotiated and adopted to limit, prohibit, and eliminate the world's most destructive armaments. Regrettably, we have also seen a considerable number of these instruments weakened or abandoned. Throughout this period, the Arms Control Association has been a reliable source of independent knowledge and a strong advocate for global disarmament. Your advocacy has also been indispensable for chemical disarmament. The Arms Control Association has been a champion of the Chemical Weapons Convention as far back as its negotiation in the 1980s. As such, the Arms Control Association has been a valuable major partner for the OPCW and its mission by raising awareness about the dangers posed by the barbaric weapons of mass destruction. In recent years, the international norm against chemical weapons has been placed under increasing pressure. These brutal, abject, absolutely prohibited weapons have been used in multiple countries in the last few years. And this can neither be ignored nor tolerated. Civil society leaders in the field of disarmament, such as the Arms Control Association, have a vital role to play in preventing the erosion of the norm. It is crucial to raise awareness about the new risks we have to face and the Chemical Weapons Convention. Persistently promote its objectives and forcibly condemn their violation. Recent global developments have demonstrated that the gains of disarmament cannot be taken for granted. They must be safeguarded with courage and decision. As a non-partisan voice in the disarmament and non-proliferation field, the Arms Control Association is well placed to continue that defense. For its part, you can count on the OPCW's ongoing support in our collective endeavor to prohibit the use and threat of use of chemical weapons. I thank you for your kind attention, and I wish you a fruitful annual conference.